Hey, welcome everyone. Welcome everyone to another week of trading. Like you all know, for those who are trading, right? For those who are trading, the month of March for me particularly didn't start well. I closed the last 2 weeks with a total of about a little bit about 100 pips, right? But that is okay because we still have 2 weeks to go. Trading is like this at times. The goal here is always to keep your risk fixed, right? Keep your risk fixed and trade right and keep on practicing your strategy. I have a strategy. For those who come to my academy, I have a strategy that I teach. And the goal really is to always keep the risk fixed and get more wins than losses. We've closed the last 2 weeks with under 100 pips, but that is really not a problem because if you remember, we made 1,400 points last month. This is actually for people who are on my channel. So for today, I'm going to give you guys yet again another perspective, another view, my perspective of what I'm seeing on the market for the upcoming week. And before I go that, I just want to show you this. This is the calendar for this week. As you can see, it's pretty jammed and clogged with so many events, especially on Wednesday the 17th. We have FOMC, lots of brown and red folders there. But notwithstanding, it's actually very good for us. For me, most of the times I perform better either in NFP weeks or FOMC weeks. This week coming up is an FOMC week. There's going to be lots of volatility. Volatility simply means there's going to be lots of opportunities for us to make money. So in this video, I'm really going back to the roots, right? I'm going to be showing you guys what I'm seeing on the monthly time frame, because remember, for trends and overall to identify who is in control of the market, if you look at the monthly time frame, you will get a panoramic view or panoramic perspective of who is really controlling whatever market you're looking at. So if I'm looking at gold, I trade gold a lot. Gold has just been going up, hit a little bit of retracement once it got to 2,000. I'm going to pick it from this point to this point. Hit 2,000 sometime last year. And since it's made a 50% retracement, right? All of this, right, is retracement. But if I'm zooming in there, what am I seeing right now? I'm seeing a big rejection candle, right? Inverted pin bar there on the monthly time frame, right? Meaning there were lots of sellers in the market, but the market simply lost, the sellers really lost their steam, the control of this market, and the bulls are coming back, and that's why we have an inverted pin bar. So if you're looking to trade gold this month and moving forward, you should be looking for buy opportunities because obviously this market is still a buyer's market. Scaling it down to the 15-minute time frame, straight to the point. You guys know how I trade. I have my daily time frame on the left hand side, 15-minute on the right hand side. If you're watching my channel, I will be looking at this zone right here. This market actually shot up a lot on Friday. Didn't trade it, but I was watching it because I had so many other positions in other markets. Taking care of my margin level percent and my strategy. So for this week, I'll give you guys the zones real quick. So if I were you looking to trade this gold this week, then you should be looking at this zone over here. Somewhere between, I'll write it there, 1730, 0.085. I'm bullish in this market. That is my bias on this market. 1730.085 and 1698.843. 1698.843. So if you're looking to trade this market, watch this zone. Of course, if this market breaks up, it should be looking to touch this zone right here. I'll show you guys the zone. Next resistance point over there. at 1811,800, something like that. Holding it there, style. It should be looking to touch a 1811,800. If it shoots down, then you should be looking at a zone like I'll give you guys a zone coordinates there. I only trade levels. I only trade levels. I don't do any other thing. Try to keep my chart clean, and I only trade levels. So guys, this is the zone for gold for this week. This is the zones you should be looking at. In terms of the box, this is the area you should be looking at. If it breaks this box, it should get to this zone. If it breaks above and confluent factors are confirmed, then it should get to 1811,800. Straight to the point, moving forward, I have USD CAD here as well. I'm giving you guys a monthly picture. USD CAD is a market that I trade a lot because I have a dollar-based strategy. Now, if I'm looking at USD CAD and I flip it over to the line chart over there, clearly on the line chart, I see a double top over here. The formation has been phenomenal over here. A double top, one touch there, another touch there. Obviously, I was hiding all of these lines for you guys to see, but this is the double top over here. This market has been in a strong downtrend, and you can see my downward channel trend line there, and it's not looking to slow down, especially because first of all, from a fundamental approach, looking at things fundamentally, this market is actually tanking because of the stimulus in the US. Lots of proponents, lots of analysts are saying there is some sort of inflation going on. The US is pumping a lot of dollars. They're printing money and giving people literally checks. People earn as much as $15,000, you know, for people who have kids and so on. I'm not American, but I'm an analyst. I'm just analyzing the information that is out there, and the market itself is telling us that, you know what, it's actually going to generate inflationary. Is the COVID relief fund is going to have an inflationary outcome. So we have a lot of bearish movement on this market. And if I'm looking to trade this market this week, we started shorting it last week. I think we closed last week with 60 points in profit. We actually closed the trade, took out the money from the market. So if I go to my daily chart, flip to my daily chart right there, scale it down for you guys. First of all, reset the chart, scale it down for you guys. 15-minute time frame. This week, if you're looking to trade this market, then you should be looking at this zone over here. Have a couple of zones over there. We are actually already we actually caught all of this last week, all of these trades, all of these points, about 80 points that we caught last week in total, or more even. I have to look at the channel to remember, but you can see my markets there on Friday. Clear as day, this market is still tanking, right, and it's looking to hit this next support zone. Let's put it over here, show you guys. It's looking to hit this support zone over here, 1.21900. So if you're looking to trade this market this week, straight to the point, no dibbling and dabbling. If you're looking to trade this market this week, you should be looking at this zone over here. Some structure has been formed over here, structure there. Structure there. And that is it. I give you guys the levels. Nope, not alert yet. I will set my alerts after this. So if the market, if you're looking at this area, we have, I always try to write, and I think I have to do what I did last week. I'll just take down the zones, and then when I'm putting it on the chart, it should make more sense, a lot more sense. So that is 1.24 922 to 1.24 611, right? So 1.24 922 to 1.24 611. So I give you guys here. Obviously, I'm bearish in this market. So once confluent factors are confirmed, just get my alert going over there. Crossing down. Create. I'm bearish in this market. So once my alert goes up, I will be shorting this market um, to this point of close once confluent factors are confirmed. If you want to learn about confluent factors, the registration for my May June session is actually ongoing, and you can sign up and learn how to become a trader like myself. I live in trading, and I have other businesses. That's literally how I live my life. USD Sweezy, same thing. I'm giving you guys a monthly perspective, right? I really want you guys to see what is happening from a larger perspective, from a larger time frame. This market is clearly a bearish market. It's dominated by sellers, and it's giving us the same bearish signs that we see on USD CAD or the DXY. I have a dollar-based strategy, so I will go to the daily time frame and immediately scale down to the 15-minute time frame, straight to the point, right? Guys, I don't draw too many lines. I just look at levels. I look at trends. I look at levels. I use a lot of support and resistance for my levels. So straight to the point. If I'm looking to trade this market this week, yeah, I'll be looking at this zone over here. Let's clean it up. Let's see. Had a lot of drawings from last week. Guys, remember, 2 weeks ago, it broke the trend line. I told you guys it was going to grow. It actually grew and went to the top of the trend line, and it's going down again. So as traders, we sell. You not sit there and you cry that it was supposed to grow. No, you just take what the market gives you and make money for yourself. So if you're looking to trade this market, I take down this zones real quick. So that is 0.93253. If this market goes up, we will buy. If it breaks and goes down, we test, we will sell. So it's that simple, right? Trading is easy. No need to sweat it. 777 there. So I'll just get my alert going over there. So obviously, if this market breaks down, then you should be shorting it to this zone over here. This is the first zone over here. I don't know why I marked this zone. Well, it's a little zone over here. I don't know why I marked that. Just short the market to 0.87800, right? Guys, that's simple. Now, moving forward, Euro USD again. I'm giving you guys the larger picture of things, right? I really want you guys to see what is happening on a larger scale. If you're looking at Euro USD, this is a monthly chart. So these are very, very big movements that you're seeing over here. This market got literally to this zone right at the bottom here. Over here, right? Right at this bottom here. Just want to bring out the date. This was literally April 2020, right? April 2020 got right down here. And since then, it's been going up, right? It's made all of this big moves, right? Since April 2020, the market has shot up for 1,398 points, right? Literally just going up, and it doesn't look like it wants to stop. And it's a bullish market. It's dominated by bulls because of dollar weakness. So straight to the point, scaling it down, made some money from this market again last week. I'm going to look to profit again from this market this week. This is what I marked up a few weeks ago. I'm just going to clean that up. Guys, each time you draw too many lines and you're done with the trade, just clean up your chart. If you keep it nice and clean, you will see things in a better and in a clearer manner. So I'm just trying to clean up all the markings that I really had going on for myself. try to clean it up as much as I can. You know what? I'm just gonna wipe off everything, like make it nice and clean. So if I'm looking to trade this market this week, take off that. Yes, go off. I'm looking to trade this market this week. Very, very simple. Straight to the point. It's a bullish market, so I'm only going to be looking for buys on Euro USD this week. I'm not really going to look to short. Again, it's FOMC week. Things can change in a matter of seconds, and if things change in a matter of seconds, I will change as well. All the levels I'm giving you in these videos are not definitive, all right? They're not definitive levels. So I'm looking at this zone over here. I'll give you guys a zone structure there from here to here. It's a structure. Just get my alert there, and then I give you guys this is literally me marking up the chart to trade, right? Guys, these are my trades. I'm looking at. I'm not doing something special after I end this video. I'm going to use these same levels to make money. So you guys, if you want to learn how to do this, you can either come to my academy and I teach you. I have a live academy over here. Or you can subscribe to any of my signal services, which are actually really, really good. Last year, we made over 10,000 points on my service. It's a lot of money for you guys. So these are the levels. I'm giving these levels because during the week you may want to use these levels, so you can always come back to the video and just review the levels. All right, it's on YouTube. It's free of charge. I'm not charging you a single cent of this. Right? If this market breaks and goes up from this point over here, if it breaks this level for the week, I'll be looking at this zone. So you can go long to this zone over here. 800 there, and that will be about not so much money. That's just 17 points for the week. That's a little bit small. I look for another resistance zone over here. Leave it right there. Yeah, that makes sense. That is, yeah, I'll just leave it there. 1.21 thousand. So you can buy from this point to this point. Yeah, that'll be about 138 pips, right? 138 pip movement. Potentially, if it works out. Next market, same thing. Euro yen has been making what? Continuous higher highs. If you're looking at it from this zone, this is a monthly time frame, right? And again, I want to show you guys the same thing, right? The same thing that is happening on Euro USD is happening on Euro yen. From here, from this point, I'm just going to clean up everything. From this point, I'm giving you guys a monthly perspective this week so that you actually understand what is going on in the market from a larger perspective, because larger time frames are what determines the overall movement of the market. So from here, at what point was that? This was May 2020. May 2020, that's last year. This market has been shooting up. It's been going up. So you really have to understand what is going on in the market. 1,317 points from May last year. And this market is a bullish market. The signs are there. You see the candlesticks. You see the moving average crossover and everything. So things aren't really looking to slow down. Scaling it down to daily time frame over there, you can see the bullish move over there. Right, bullish move over there. Then I do my thing. 15 minutes. Simple methodology of trading weekly just to get my next level. Of course, I teach this in my course, how to get these levels and how to trade only levels. So we're looking at next resistance over there. Clear as day, 200 there. Simple. This is the zone you should be looking at. This is the zone you should be looking at. Um, some momentum going on over there. Yep. This is the zone you guys should be looking at. And I'm bullish in this market, right? So I'll only be looking for buys this week. Obviously, it's FOMC, anything can happen. If it goes down, I will short to the next support zone. But if it goes up, I'm buying to this zone, right? 136, 200. Guys, I'm not doing too many markets. I prefer quality over quantity, right? So this is the last market I'll be giving you guys. Pound USD again is doing the exact same thing. Pound USD, Euro USD, Euro Yen, they move in the same direction because of the dollar strength or dollar weakness. Now, dollar is weak. They're simply going to keep on going up. So from last year, it's been doing the same thing, moving up, right? How many points are those? This is about 1,700 points plus. Is giving you daily time frame. This is what we see: bullish, bullish, bullish market. I will only look for longs on this market. So straight to the point. Let me get the next zone or the next region. I'll be looking to buy to. We could buy to this point right here. Overall for the week, right? We could buy. I'll just take everything off. Too many lines. Put back the lines. Could buy to this point right here. Yep, right to the top. I make it round and even 600 over there. Institutional levels. There you go. It's a region. Yep, right to that level. Scale it down. Yep, we got the level. 15-minute time frame over there, and I give you the zone to look at. We bought this, we cut this move on Friday, came out somewhere here. You can actually see the market dumped because people took out their money from the market. This is actually something I teach people as well. Look at this region over here. Yep, you can look at this region over here, and there it is for you guys. So you should really be looking at 139.375, right? 139.375. If it goes up, I'm only bullish in this market. I will only look for buys this week. 139.375. Process up, and confluent factors are confirmed. I will be buying this market. Let me take off this last one. Yes, so that is it, guys. That is the breakdown for the for the third week of March, and all what I can do is wish you guys success as you trade this week. Again, registration for the second session of my training is now ongoing. Make sure you register. This is a life skill, guys. I make money from this market every single week, and it is something that you yourself you can do. You must not come and learn from me, right? But make sure you learn from someone who is trustworthy. There are lots of scams out there with people just trying to get money from people. I do not care who you learn trading from, but make sure you look for a good course and you learn from somebody who really knows what they're doing. That is my advice to you. I'm giving you free advice because when I was learning how to trade, I fell on a lot of scams, right? I lost some money in the process, but it was worth it because I finally found the right guys. And today I'm telling you the same thing. It is an extremely lucrative market. It's an extremely lucrative business. But do not be gullible. Just do your background checks. See the work of whoever wants to teach you how to trade and go for it, right? Guys, stay consistent. And I wish you success and luck this week. Take care. Bye.